I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry sorbet without frozen strawberries. First, gather about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries. Wash them well under cool water, then carefully hull each berry. Slice the strawberries into roughly 1/2 inch pieces. Arrange these slices in a single layer on a parchment-lined baking sheet. This step is crucial for even chilling. Next, let's prepare a simple syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once clear, remove the syrup from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. This ensures the sorbet mixture blends smoothly. Now, combine your prepared strawberries and the cooled simple syrup in a blender. Blend until the mixture is perfectly smooth, with no large pieces remaining. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This enhances the strawberry flavor beautifully. Pour the mixture into a shallow container and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours, or until thoroughly chilled. Finally, pour the well-chilled sorbet mixture into your ice cream maker. Churn it for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer the freshly churned sorbet into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours to firm up completely. Scoop and enjoy your delicious homemade strawberry sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.